everyone, and welcome back to another SFX video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look. So I pretty much just used some scar wax, covered my nail, did make the nail a little bit more thicker with some more scar wax, because as you can see when I do put the toothpick in, it kind of did pop through, but that doesn't matter because I just went and put a little bit more scar wax, and then I put a bit of blood, so it all kind of covered and looked very nice and seamless. And when you do this, please make sure you're very, very gentle and very careful. You don't want to actually go under your nail, because it is SFX, it's just all fake, it's all makeup, so just be very, very careful when you do that, because I kind of did go under my nail, but very, very gently, thank God. Anyway, so then this plastic thing is just a plastic sleeve. Just pretty much just cut it to the size and shape of your nail on top of the scar wax. Then you just, yeah, add more blood and just play around with whatever you want to make it look as real as possible. And this is how mine turned out. I did kind of make the scar wax on the top of the nail, like before the cuticle, a little bit more thicker, so it kind of looks a little bit more kind of natural. And yeah, this is it popping back. It's quite satisfying. So this is the end result. If you did like it, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out so, so much. And yeah, if you have any video suggestion ideas you'd like to see me do, anything for SFX or any kind of videos, just comment down below and I'll be sure to try them out. And yeah, this is a little removal. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!